Endurance, the silence of ice, the voice of will. Sometimes, history doesn't shout. It walks slowly, quietly, across the ice, toward the edge of the world, toward the place where a human being meets the raw power of nature, utterly alone. This is the story of Endurance, a ship built for a dream. In 1914, she left civilization, led by Ernest Shackleton, with one bold goal: to cross Antarctica from sea to sea. But fate had another journey in mind. There were 28 men on board. No radio, no GPS, no guarantees, only trust in each other and in the quiet strength of their leader. And then the ice came. At first, they waited. Then they realized they were trapped. And then they heard the groaning, the cracking. The ship was being crushed. Slowly, mercilessly, Endurance sank into silence. Now, there was only the ice and them, living on a drifting floe in the middle of nowhere. Snow, dogs, wind, and time. And each new morning, the decision to keep going. Among them was Frank Hurley, a photographer who captured not just images, but the soul of the expedition. He dove into the ruins of the ship to save the film. He developed photos in the cold, bringing light to a place without it. Then came the most daring decision. A small wooden boat, 7 meters long, and 1,300 kilometers of open sea. Shackleton and 5 men sailed across the Southern Ocean in a desperate bid to bring back help. The rest stayed behind, waiting under the open sky. Shackleton crossed the mountains of South Georgia on foot. No map, no sleep, no second chance. He made it, and more than that, he came back and saved them all. Not one man died. Not one was left behind. This was not a story of conquest, but of courage, of endurance, of what humans can become when there is no choice but to survive. Endurance means resilience, and that resilience still lives in each frozen image, in each quiet breath, in the silence of ice, and in the voice of will. If you believe that the past still speaks, subscribe. We bring it back so you can hear it.